All right, so let's face it. Most of us, we reach for pants as a regular part of our outfits, even when it's warm outside, because, a lot of times we're going into air conditioning. But today I'm going to be telling you about 5 mistakes that you may be making when you're wearing pants. Now, of course, this is my opinion. But, a lot of people that I see, older women wearing pants, they're just kind of looking old. And I want to show you how to be chic and fabulous. So I can't wait to show you the before and the after photos for you. Let's get right into this, starting with mistake number 1. You love wearing pants that you can be super comfy in. So these kind of pants work, right? Well, not really. The way you leave the house will help your confidence, and these are just frumpy and they make you look older. How about stepping up your comfort notch a little and go from drab to fab with a youthful pant like this that gives you a wonderful youthful flair. These track pants are from one of my favorite fashion houses, Belief. And last time I checked, they were on sale for just $40. They come in 8 colors and have zippered pockets to keep your cell phone and credit cards secure. I paired these fabulous pants with an Under Armour top for just $25 that has a special tech fabric that wicks sweat and dries quickly for those hot days. It's available up to size 3X and in other colors. Of course, I had to wear my Skechers slip-in sneakers with these, and if you haven't tried the slip-ons, I truly think you're missing out on a great invention. These shoes are just $65 and also come in wide sizes. And of course, to make things easier for you, I will have all the pants and the tops, the good ones, underneath the video description and also in the comments. And of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you're going to find a section with all of my favorite pants and even my favorite jeans. But for now, let's look at mistake number 2. And in this one, I'm going to have 3 different styles to show you. All right, you're stuck in a time warp and won't give up your skinny pants. Any pants that are too tight are making you look like you're stuck in the past. And the new look of baggy wide pants just might make you look heavier and frumpy. Hey, we don't have to accept every trend if it doesn't suit us. Better to find a pair of pants that's on trend and works for many of us, like this new pair I just bought. And they're not too tight and they're not too wide, they're just right. They're stretchy, they come in 20 colors, have a high tummy pull-in waistband, and the price is absolutely just right at just $30. And they go up to size 16. The length is also perfect as the ankle length is trending. I matched these pants with a beautiful cotton mixed top with a lovely lacy sleeve with airflow for the warmer weather, and it's just $20. I tucked in the sides to kind of cover my tummy. Now, although I say don't wear black all the time, these pants are a perfect addition to most women's wardrobe. And don't forget to maybe pick up another color or 2. And if you like styling tutorials like this, I do a lot of them, and I would love, love, love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. But for now, we're on mistake number 3. If you haven't already, please get rid of your capris. They cut you off at the thickest part of your calves, and if you go to a retirement home, you'll see that that's what most of the older ladies are wearing. To me, they are just so darn aging. If it's really hot outside, choose a skirt, which is a skirt with shorts underneath, and it does look so youthful. Again, this is from Belief for just $40 in about a dozen colors, and it has pockets. Or just choose a longer pair of pants And believe me, having a little less material around your calf is not going to make you hotter in the warm weather. These are my NYDJ Barbara bootcut jeans, and they have a built-in tummy control and they have stretch. And last time I checked, they were an amazing 44% off for just $67. And they run up to size 18. I have several NYDJ pants, and it stands for Not Your Daughter's Jeans, and they are amazing. I have a beautiful purple top on that's just $25, and I have this top in 4 colors since I love the style so much. Now, there's a note on the Amazon site that those white pants, they run large, so don't forget, know your own measurements and also check them out with every single item, tops or bottoms, with the item's size chart. That's going to save you from having to pack up everything and do all the returns. All right, we're on mistake number 4. Let's take a look. You love your leisure wear sets, but sorry. They may be okay for lounging around the house, but wearing them out socially just makes you look older and frankly like you don't care so much on how you look. This is where it's time to step up your styling game. Now this outfit looks like you're stylish. I paired a lovely animal print top, and yes, you can still wear animal prints, just not, all the time. And I tied it in front to cover my tummy. I also have a cami underneath. The blouse goes up to 2XL and it's just $33. The pants feel like leisure pants with super stretch and a pull-in waistband for just $43. And for all the petite ladies out there, they do come in shorter sizes. And for a bit of fun, I added these flip-flop Crocs for just about $30 that have an amazing support system and so much better for our age than, those cheap flip-flops that you get from the dollar store. And don't forget to stay until the end of this video where I'll have a short inspirational message for you. And if you're interested in my longer inspirational messages, this week I'm talking about finding more happiness. And don't we need more of that these days? All you have to do is go to YouTube and search Age Empowered. And it's just, I'm sitting back, I have a cup of tea, and I'm just having a heart-to-heart chat with you. And actually already I have 10 of these videos. So if you want to do a little bit of inspirational binge watching, it's going to be there for you. Oh, and if you stay until the end of this video, you'll see kind of a yellow screen pop up, and I have an actual link where you can go right after you finish this video, right to Age Empowered, where those inspirational messages are for you. And thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for checking it out. But for right now, let's look at another mistake with pants, and that's not concentrating on the length. Today, how your pants hang can bring you from drab to fab, as you can see in these 2 examples. The first one is so long that it actually makes my legs look dowdy. The second pant, which is another pattern of those khaki ones I showed for $43, is sleek and stylish, and the shorter length is on trend and will give you a more youthful vibe. I love the strappy sandals that I also have in beige, and they're just $40. And this lovely red top, yes, I said red, for just $25 just looks terrific. And you can feel youthful and confident in this look. And talking about confidence, hey, it's okay if you want to hide your legs a little bit and wear pants. There's so many indoor places, where you're sociable, and it's cool, right, with the air conditioning. So wearing pants is okay. But let's choose pants that don't look kind of old lady-ish or drab, or pants that our grandmothers would wear. And don't forget to add the accessories to your outfit. That really brings up the look. earrings or maybe a stretchy belt or some strappy sandals, or there's all kinds of things, bangles that you can wear to bring the whole outfit up from drab to fab. I sometimes think about women like Jennifer Aniston. She's 56 years old now, and I think to myself, all right, I wonder what she's going to be wearing, when she gets closer to my age, or maybe closer to your age. And I can tell you right now, she's not going to be wearing the pants like our grandmothers used to wear. Hey, let's do a little exercise. Take your age and subtract it from 95. So subtract your age and watch what you find. You probably find that you have 30 years left. That's 30 years left to feel dowdy and drab, or 30 years to feel fabulous and fashionable. For me, I choose the latter, and I really hope that you do too, because to me it's just another way to be loving our age.